What?
You heard what I said, Brandon.
Oh, you talking about I said this bitch is lined up. I'm talking about this. Suck this motherfucker.
Yeah, and it's gonna be niggas lined up, and I'm gonna be doing it right here, twerking on it.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
You gonna be
shit.
doing what? Hold on.
Yeah, you heard what I said. I'm gonna be twerking on their ass. Here you talking about.
You need to be twerking for making this motherfucker food. So one of these braids be missing. Hey, you talking about? What's up?
There on my head.
Damn it, man.
Brandon, stop.
No.
Get the fuck out.
So, the moral of the story is...
Wait, hold on. Was you recording in the car?
No, the moral of the story is... How it's going... How many miles?
787 point. Probably 12.
How the fuck you know? Damn!
Cause I know.
797 miles. Okay, so that'll be done to go for...
It take you about a good 18 hours by bus in car.
It's like 14 by bus
18 by bus.
and 12, 14 by car. Okay, so
18
but
both
I didn't go there. I
ways.
flew
Maybe
there,
15 by car.
Okay, and 1 by the plane,
16
which
by
way I
car.
want.
Okay. You
Okay,
flew for
and
no
so
fucking reason.
how I fly for no reason?
Cause you down there with
Explain.
a bad built, a bad.
Tell what?
He down there with a bad built, fat.